Hello dear students and welcome to this brand new day. I'm Miss Kanchan and today I'm welcoming you all in our English grammar class. Okay, it's a part 2. In previous part we have learnt about pronoun. Yes, so let's revise it. A pronoun is a word that is used in place of noun. Look at the picture. Yes, this is a girl. She is wearing a cap. She has purse. She is so beautiful. For girl and women, we use she. Yes, we use she. This pronoun we use for a girl. Now, look at the next picture. Yes, this is a boy. He is used for a boy or a man. Okay, children. So, for example, this is a Ram. He is writing something. Yes, he looks very happy. So, for Ram, we use he. We will use the word it for animals. For animals, we use the pronoun it. See the picture? This is a bag and bag is a thing. Yes, whenever we talk about animal or things, we use the word it. Yes, so we will use the pronoun it for the things and for the animals. Okay, children? You is used when we are talking to someone in front of us. For example, this girl is saying, "You are a smart boy. You are a smart boy." She is talking to a boy. That time we are using you. Okay? So take a quick recap. What is pronoun? A pronoun is a word that is used in place of a noun. For example, we use she for a girl, he for a boy or a man. You is used when we are talking to someone in front of us. Here, whenever we are talking about animal or things, we use it. So, dear students, let's move towards our textbook. The words he, she, it, I, you are used in place of names of persons or animals. These words are used in place of naming words. So, I and you is used for a boy, a girl, a man or a woman. He is used for a boy or a man. She is used for a girl or a woman. It is used for animals, birds, trees and non-living things. Underline the correct words in the given sentences. This is Hari. He or she is a boy. For Hari is a boy, so we will use he. Soma has a Barbie doll. It is new. So it is talking about Barbie doll. So Barbie doll is a thing. So for thing we use it. So we'll underline the word it. Next. Ram has a new pen. He or it is blue in color. So for thing we use it. So we'll underline it. Next, there is a peacock in the garden. It or she looks colorful. Now tell me students, for animals and birds or things, what we are using? Yes, very good. It. So we will underline it. Next, Geeta is my friend. She, I play with my friend. So here Geeta is talking about herself. So whenever we talk about ourselves, we use I. So we will underline I. Rewrite the sentences by replacing the underlined words with she, he or it. Look at the first sentence. I have a cat. The cat likes to drink milk. So here cat, we use it for animals and things. So we will replace the cat into the pronoun it. So the sentence will be I have a cat. It likes to drink milk. Number 2. Rita can see a duck. The duck is near the pond. Again same, for the animals and birds or things we use it. So we will write Rita can see a duck. It is near the pond. So we will write here it for the duck. We use she for a girl or a woman. So we will use here she. Mrs. Gupta is my teacher. She loves me. She loves me. Okay children, we use here she for Mrs. Gupta. Next, Ravi is a friend of Sonu. Ravi likes to play with Sonu. Now tell me students, what we will use for Ravi? Yes, very good, he. So the sentence will be Ravi is a friend of Sonu. He likes to play with Sonu. So here he for Ravi. Next, Hari is in class first. Hari is 6 years old. We use he for Hari. Hari is in class first. He is 6 years old. Next, my house is small. My house has 4 windows and 2 doors. So for house, look at the picture dear students. Yes, house is a thing. So we use it for it. Okay. So the sentence will be my house is small. It has 4 windows and 2 doors. It has 4 windows and 2 doors. Look at the picture and fill in the blanks with the correct words. So here Vivek is there and deer is there. Okay. Vivek said, I am Vivek. Who are you? Do you live in the forest? Vivek is asking to the deer. So the deer said, I am deer. I live in a forest. So here we use I, here you and I. These pronouns we used here. Okay. So dear students, here we have finished chapter number 23. I, you, she, he, it. That is pronoun. So do the practice of it. Take care of yourself. Read the lesson. Revise it. We'll meet soon in our next video. Till then, bye.